What if I told you that you could generate unlimited, photorealistic AI images in seconds, completely free, no subscriptions, no credit limits, just pure creative freedom? Today, I'm showing you how to run zimage Turbo, one of the fastest AI image generators on the planet, right in your browser using Google Colab. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be creating stunning images faster than you ever thought possible. Let's dive in. Today, we're diving into zimage Turbo, a brand new AI model from Alibaba's Tongyi Lab that's been making waves in the AI community. This thing generates images in literally seconds, handles text rendering like a pro, and the best part? It's completely open source and free to use. Now, I know what you're thinking. Don't I need an expensive GPU for this? Nope, we're going to run everything on Google Colab, which gives you free access to powerful GPUs. Let's get started. Before we jump into the installation, let me give you a quick overview of what makes zimage Turbo so special. First off, it's incredibly fast. I'm talking sub-second generation times on high-end hardware, and even on Google Colab's free tier, you're looking at just a few seconds per image. Second, the quality is outstanding. This model excels at photorealistic images. Think portraits, landscapes, product shots, you name it. Third, and this is huge, it handles text rendering really well. Zimage Turbo actually renders readable text in both English and Chinese. And finally, it's open source with an Apache 2.0 license, which means you can use it for personal projects, commercial work, whatever you want. No restrictions. Okay, let's start building our workspace. First things first, open up your browser and search for Google Colab. However, I will put all the links in the description. Okay, click on the first link. Now, we have to create a new notebook. Simply click on New Notebook from here. Okay, a blank notebook has been created. Now, here's something important. We need to make sure we're using a GPU. By default, Colab uses a regular CPU, which is way too slow for AI image generation. So let's change that. Go up to the menu bar and click on Runtime, then hover over Change Runtime Type. A little window will pop up. Under Hardware Accelerator, select T4 GPU. This is the free GPU that Google provides, and it's more than enough for what we're doing. Click Save. Before we move on, let me explain what we're about to do. We're going to install some Python libraries, download the zimage Turbo model, and then create a simple interface where you can type in prompts and generate images. Don't worry if you're not a coder. I'll walk you through every single step, and you can literally just copy and paste the code I'm about to show you. Let me show you the code we'll be using. I'll put all of this in the description below so you don't have to type it out manually. Alright, let's start coding. In the first code cell, I am gonna copy the zimage Turbo file. So, I am typing git clone. Now, we have to paste the Hugging Face space link of zimage Turbo. Just copy the link and paste it here. Once done, run the code cell. This will basically copy all the files of zimage Turbo. If you come to the Files tab from here, you can see the zimage Turbo folder here. Now, to write or import assets to this folder, we need to access this folder. To do that, I am creating a new code cell and then typing %cd, and then we have to write the folder name. In my case, that is zimage Turbo. Now, run the code cell, and it's done. Now, to list all the files inside the folder, we have to run another code cell. This time, just type !ls and run the code cell. Alright, now we are ready to install all the assets or the requirement files into the notebook. And to do that, I am creating a new code cell and then typing pip install rrequirements.txt and then hitting the run button. This will basically install all the necessary dependencies mentioned in this requirement file. Okay, we are done. Now I will install the Gradio package to create a UI like this. Sometimes it comes with the requirements.txt file. Okay, to install Gradio, I am typing pip install Gradio. Okay, we are done. Our environment is ready. Now we can run the main Python file, app.py. Before that, we need to create a Hugging Face token and add it to this environment. To do that, I will run this code. I am saying again, you will find all the codes in the description. Once you run the code cell, you will see that it is asking for the Hugging Face token. So, come back to Hugging Face and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the profile icon. You will find some options. Select the Access Token option. Once you are on this page, click on Create New Token. Now, we have to select the token type. There are 3 options. We need only the read token so that we can call the API. Now, set the token name and then click on the Create Token button. Once the token is created, copy the token and paste it here. Okay, we are done. Now, we have to run the app.py file. However, this app.py file is not comfortable for Google Colab. We need to do some customization. That's why I will run this code. It will overwrite the app.py file and do all the customization. Okay, we are done. Now, create a new code cell and then enter !python app.py and then hit the run button. This will run the main Python file. Once the process is completed, you will find 2 links, one for the local URL and the other for the public URL. The local URL is not working for me, so I am trying the public URL. And here it is, we got a similar interface to Hugging Face. And now, we are ready to generate the images. Let's create our first AI image. I am entering a ready prompt here in this prompt box. This is about an underwater ancient temple scene prompt. After entering the prompt, set the resolution and aspect ratio. You will find a bunch of options. Select which one you need. After that, you can set the seed. I will use a random seed. In the end, we have to set the steps and time shift. You can set the step value from 1 to 50. More steps will take more time but generate more quality results. However, zimage Turbo is able to generate high-quality results in fewer steps, like 8 or 10. Let's generate the image. You can see the real-time generation process. And our image is ready. It takes literally 12 seconds to generate the image. It is faster than any image generation model. And look at the quality. This is really amazing. The image composition, light, realism, everything is top-notch. I love it. So, zimage Turbo can generate high-quality photorealistic images faster than any image generation model. Okay, now let's try to create an anime-style image. I am entering another ready prompt to generate a Disney-style image. After entering the prompt, I will set all other settings. Once everything is set, I will hit the Generate button and then wait around 15 seconds. And here it is. The image is ready. This is a perfect Disney-style image. You can see the big, expressive eyes of the character and other elements that perfectly fit a Disney-style image. Okay, now let's see the text rendering capability. I am entering a prompt for a product image that contains text. After entering the prompt, set all other settings and then hit the Generate button. And here it is. The image is ready. And look at the quality of the image. The text appears perfectly. No spelling mistakes, no unusual texture or anything. Besides that, you can see the quality of the image. This is a perfect cinematic product image. So now you can create any kind of image using zimage Turbo for free. So why are you using paid tools? Start using zimage Turbo and generating your vision. Again, you will find all the tools and code in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, please smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.